We did $1,470, as you guys can see. And then we have everything packed up right here. Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another realistic day in the life of a reseller making $30,000 per month. As y'all can probably tell, I just got out of the shower right now, but we have a crazy day planned right now. I believe it's like 11 a.m., but we have to pack over 40 orders. We just got a big bulk order that touched down, actually. We have a lot more planned for today, so make sure y'all stay tuned. And as y'all can see, it's around 11:24 a.m. right now. I woke up a little bit late today, but anyway, we're starting off the day with eggs right now. So we're gonna get these cooked, ate, and then get to work. All right, y'all, so we're about to unbox the bulk package right here. I believe we got 100 stud rings for moissanite, so we're about to get it all unboxed and show you guys real quick. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into these rings real quick. We do have actually a decent amount of pre-orders as well today that we're gonna be packing up later. We'll make sure to show you guys that. But these rings actually did come in pretty quick. It was only, I think, 6 or 7 days actually, which is pretty quick for this size of a package. As you guys can see, nice and neatly stacked in there. These ones do come with the boxes and the GRA in a plastic bag. These are some of my favorite packaging by the vendor, just because it's so clean, it's so simple, it's so easy. Go ahead and unbox one of them for you guys too as well. As you can see, it says the carrot size up there, the barcode, and then we got the GRA as well. Comes with the card, with the ID and the scannable barcode, and it just kind of explains what GRA is on the back right there. And then this is what it actually matters right here is the inside. Let me just show real quick. Yep. So it's VVS1 moissanite with excellent cut, polish, and symmetry, which is the highest quality moissanite available. So top-notch stuff right here. And then actually in the box right here, it does come, this is a W vendor because it comes with a little cleaning rag as well. So you can wipe off your moissanite stone on there, make it look nice and clean and fresh. And then you got the ring itself. 925 silver moissanite adjustable rings right there. Super nice, super clean. So yeah, we got a bunch of orders today for these that we got to pack up and get them shipped out. We'll make sure to show you guys that later, but yeah, we'll catch you guys in a second. And I did forget to mention, if you guys want a link to these same exact products, I'll make sure to leave a link down below, first link in description. And just to give you guys a quick update right now, it's around 12 p.m. and as you can see, we're already at $240 in sales. It's honestly not the best. It's a little bit slower than usual, but still a great day. Hopefully we can hit around $1,000. And as you can see, yesterday on the store, we did $1,470. So hopefully we can have another day like that, but yeah. And currently right now, I'm just filming and editing some short form videos that I'm going to post on Instagram, TikTok, etc. And I also have a day in the life YouTube video that we filmed last week that I'm actually going to post today as I'm filming this video, which is kind of funny. But yeah, we got some work to do right now. Let's get it. All right, y'all, it is currently about 2 p.m. right now. I just had to go mow the lawn. I completely forgot about that. But I just went and did that. And then I'm also going to film an unboxing video right here that I got set up. And it's around 2 p.m. like I said, so around like 5 p.m., around 4:30, 5 p.m. is when we pack orders. And we've gotten more throughout the day. So we're gonna have to pack like a total of 40 orders, which is literally nuts. It's gonna take like probably an hour or an hour and a half. I don't even know. And then also we just got a bulk order for around $220 on PayPal. And then, yeah, so that's pretty good right there. We're gonna have to pack some of that stuff up. It's mainly rings and earrings and stuff that he bought. But yeah, we just got that done and then I'm gonna catch y'all later. All right, y'all, so it's currently 3:30 right now. I just got back from the grocery store. I was buying like chicken, broccoli and stuff like that because I'm trying to be more healthy. But regardless, it's 3:30, so like I said, so we're gonna have to start packing orders soon, and then I'm gonna update y'all on obviously like what we're on that store today. So as you guys can see, we're at around $415 in sales. It's honestly a lot lower like compared to yesterday. At this time, it's already down 47%, so we're at like double. But usually on like, it's a Monday today, so usually on weekends, like the people that are our target audience are usually younger, obviously. They're out of school, so they're buying more on those days, but Monday they're in school, so it usually picks up a lot during the nighttime, so hopefully we can end on around 1,000 or more. All right, y'all, so we're gonna pack orders right now. I think we counted it, it's around like 41, 42 orders that we gotta go out, so it's absolutely crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we have everything packed up. All right, as y'all can see, we got all the shipping labels printed. It's literally going from all the way over there to right here, and then we have everything packed up right here, so we're just gonna get the labels on there, and then yeah. We can probably fit. All right, y'all, we're heading out right now. The bag was literally so full, like it's almost pouring out the thing. So we're headed to the post office right now, and yeah. Oh, okay. All right. Yo, what is good, y'all? So currently right now it's 10:45 p.m. So it's actually been a hot minute since we got back from the post office. After that, I ate, and then I basically just fell asleep. So I have not even been able to update you guys at all. This video isn't really too packed. It's probably going to be a shorter video. Hope you guys are still enjoying, but the sales started picking up like crazy over the past few hours. So let me show you guys. So as you guys can see right here, we're at $1,312 on the main store. And again, it's around like 10:45. So there's like around an hour and 15 minutes still left. So hopefully we can end off on around, I don't know, probably like 1,500. There's 17 visitors on our site right now too. So we might get a sale pretty soon. But yeah, I'll keep y'all updated at the end of the day. All right, y'all, it's currently the next day right now, as you can probably tell. I completely forgot to record everything last night, like add up all the totals and everything that we made for the day. I was slacking a little bit yesterday in the entire video on just not recording enough and not filming enough of the actual day in the life. But anywho, yeah, I'm gonna update you guys today on the numbers that we did yesterday. And as you guys can see right here, yesterday we ended off on $1,592, basically $1,600. We had a crazy end to the day. It started off pretty slow, but it got better. So yeah, absolutely crazy. So we had $1,592, and then we had the $218 as well from PayPal, which in terms of revenue brings us to a total of $1,810. And considering we have around 65% profit margins, that leaves us with around $1,176 on the day. So absolutely crazy. So yeah, it's absolutely crazy. And you guys got to think as well, like the $1,600 that we made, were like the 40 orders that we shipped, like none of that was of the $1,600, if that makes sense. Like the $1,600 that we made yesterday, we all have to ship today. So it's just like a rinse and repeat. This is truly like a realistic day in the life. Even though I didn't get to record much, which is my bad. This video is probably going to be like 7-8 minutes if I had to guess, because I was probably lacking, but I'll do better next time. And also, if you guys didn't know, I opened more spots for my mentorship as well. So if you guys want to work with me personally one-on-one to start reselling and start scaling to 5 to 10K plus per month, shipping out 40 orders, making $1,600 in a day like you see me do every single day, you guys can apply with the first link in description. And besides that, we also have that free Moissanite vendor. All our other vendors will be in description as well. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below any thoughts on this video, any questions, or any future videos you guys want to see. And yeah, that'll be it. Peace.